Hello you guys, Miss Steele here. So we are talking about balance this week, but we're also talking about art movements and artists, and we're looking at pop art. So what we're going to make today is our own Andy Warhol inspired can of soup. So for this project, you want a can of soup. You should have a printed out copy of this, and it should look just like this. But if it doesn't, I'm going to show you how to draw it real quick on the back because it's really easy. What you want to do is start out with a big flat oval at the top. Once you have that, you want to draw two straight lines going down. You want to connect them together with a curved line, and then draw one more curved line underneath. In the middle, you want to draw a big circle, and then two curved lines to the side. The last detail is drawing some flat lines inside your oval. And that's how you can draw it, but hopefully you have it printed out like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to design our own soup can. So you want this paper, pencil, eraser, and then you want something to color in with. I'm using markers and crowns. So what you're going to do is come up with a name for your soup company right here. I think I'm just going to call mine Miss Steele's. Right in here, you're going to draw a picture of whatever your soup flavor is, and then you're going to draw your soup flavor down here. And you can do whatever kind of soup you want to do. I'm going to start drawing the name of my soup, and I'm going to make art soup. You could do bubblegum, you could do a normal soup. I want you to make your soup whatever you like. So I'm doing A-R-T. So that's the flavor of my soup is art. And then at the bottom, S-O-U-P, so art soup. So in here, I'm going to draw different art things like paintbrushes. Because I'm making art soup. Maybe I'll draw like some blobs for paint splatters. Maybe we could draw a pencil right here. Coming up to that, maybe right here we'll draw a crown. And then maybe right here we'll draw in one more paint splatter. So I have that, and now I'm going to write my Miss Steele's. And you can do your name, or you can come up with a different name. Miss Steele's soup. S-T, and I'm going to finish writing out my name, and then we're going to move on to our next step, which is getting this all colored in. So at the top, you want to have the brand name of your soup, whether it's your name or something made up. You want to draw whatever your flavor is right here, and then you want to write it at the bottom. So I'm going to finish this, and then we're going to start coloring it in. I have the name, and then I have this, and then I have this at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is start coloring it in, and you want your background to be just one color. So I'm going to color in my background one color, and then I'm going to start coloring in my can of soup. I think I'm going to leave this part white and only color the top of my can like a real can of soup, but color in all the details too. I'm just going to leave the background white right here. I'm going to start coloring it in, and then we'll check in. So I'm getting this colored in. I decided to do my background because we want our background to be one color. I did it orange, and I got my bottom decorated, and I'm coloring in this part. I colored in the top and the bottom part silver like a normal can. So all I have left is to color in here, and we will be finished. Alright, so I am finished. This is Miss Steele's art soup. I colored in the top, and then I left this white in the background like a real can of soup. Be sure to color in your background using one color. You want to have the flavor of your soup down here, a picture of whatever the flavor is, whether it's corn or cotton candy or art soup. And then you want to have, you can use your name or a different name if you want, but you want to have kind of the name of the soup company. So I did this as Miss Steele's because that's my name. I can't wait to see how your projects come out. I will see you guys all next time. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, your evening, your afternoon.